Alright guys, thank you for being part of TMM Appliance Network. Thank you for being part of TMM Academics. Just wanted to give you guys a quick preview of what the one of our courses that we have, our virtual workshops that we have going on. If you become a member of our Patreon program, one of those courses is going to be called How to Start Your Own Appliance Repair Business Part 1. It's too big to just be put into one course, so we're going to do two parts. Part 1 will be just how to start it. Ideal students would be students that just getting out of school, want to start for themselves, guys that are coming from one industry and want to get into the appliance repair industry, guys that want to make that jump from, you know, being a tech to being an owner and have a lot of questions. I've done my best over the last couple of years trying to address all of these different ways to go about this, but we've condensed it to one central place, and that's here, TMM Academics, How to Start Your Own Appliance Repair Business Part 1. Okay, things that we're going to be going over. This module will include up to tools, license. Well, as far as tools, we're going to be doing like a whole thing on tools, what tools are needed, how do you go about getting the cheapest tools, you know, how to get started with practically nothing, you know, the bare minimum, and get you up and running. As far as licensing, we're going to be telling you how to go about getting your business license, what kind of insurances you're going to need, how to set up your bank account so that you can write checks, have checks wrote out to your business, uniforms, do's and don'ts, how to get your uniforms to look good, how to go about, you know, embroidering them, stuff like that. Vehicles, do's and don'ts, you know, what vehicles you want to kind of stay away from, what vehicles you want to get. Business apps that your business is going to use, as far as like, you know, record keeping, bookkeeping, what kind of business applications you should have. Card processor, how to get your card processor set up so when customers pay you, you can get paid and they can go to your bank account. Dispatch and routing, we'll be showing you some different programs on how to go about doing that. What's some good programs for dispatch and routing, and how to route effectively. Phone systems, phone etiquette, big one, how to answer the phones properly. How to start your own website, how to get your website up and running. We won't necessarily build the website for you, but as a group, we'll all go in there together, and I'll show you guys how to get a web start up and running, how to pick a template, what words you want to kind of put in, and, you know, some examples. Invoicing, followed by parts. Okay, so again, this class, this module may take, I don't know, 3-4 classes, 3, 4, or 5 settings before we go through all of it, but in it, it'll be cram packed with information that will help future entrepreneurs who want to begin their own appliance repair business but have a lot of questions and don't even know where to start. That's what this course is. And again, please go to tmmacademics.com. We're holding 4 classes. We hope we're doing 4 different subjects every month, 1 a week. Again, how to run and start your own appliance repair business Part 1, basic electricity, basic refrigeration 101, seal system 101. So in that we have stuff from guys that don't have a lot of experience to guys that have a ton of experience, and everything in between. The instructors will be me, myself, or brother David, me, Rick, or brother David. Also, please sign up, become part of our Voxer, a walkie-talkie app, become part of our peer-to-peer group. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Go to tmmacademics.com. Again, this class begins on Saturday. Stay tuned for some future shop talks that we got. We got some big guests coming out. That's all we got today. We want to talk your ears off. Love, peace, and harmony. Take care.